Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of home cleaning with our roundup of the top 6 best robot vacuums and mops for 2024. These cutting-edge devices combine advanced technology with convenience to keep your floors sparkling clean effortlessly. Whether you're battling pet hair, tackling tough stains, or just looking to simplify your cleaning routine, we've selected the best options on the market. From powerful suction to intelligent navigation, let's explore our picks for the top 6 best robot vacuums and mops of 2024. Number 6. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Starting off our list at number 6 is the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This robot vacuum and mop combo boasts ultra-strong suction power, making it a formidable opponent against dust and debris. Equipped with advanced mapping and navigation technology, the S8 Pro Ultra efficiently cleans every corner of your home, adapting to different floor surfaces with ease. Its mopping function ensures thorough cleaning, leaving your hard floors spotless. With app control and voice assistant compatibility, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers convenience at your fingertips, making it a solid choice for tech-savvy homeowners. Number 5. Narwal Freo X Ultra Robot Vacuum. Coming in at number 5 is the Narwal Freo X Ultra Robot Vacuum. Known for its innovative self-cleaning feature, the Freo X Ultra sets itself apart from the competition. After each cleaning session, it automatically returns to its base to empty its dustbin and clean its mop module, ensuring a hygienic clean every time. Equipped with strong suction power and intelligent navigation, this robot vacuum effectively removes dirt and debris while navigating around obstacles with precision. With its dual functionality as both a vacuum and mop, the Narwal Freo X Ultra is ideal for households looking for a hands-free cleaning solution. Number 4. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus 7550. Next up at number 4 is the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus 7550. As a pioneer in robot vacuum technology, iRobot continues to innovate with the Roomba J7 Plus. This model features advanced sensors that detect and avoid obstacles, preventing it from getting stuck or damaging furniture. Equipped with self-emptying capabilities, the Roomba J7 Plus automatically empties its bin into the clean base after each cleaning session, reducing maintenance hassle. Its powerful suction and dual rubber brushes ensure thorough cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. With compatibility with iRobot's app and voice assistants, the Roomba J7 Plus offers convenience and efficiency for busy households. Number 3. Ecovacs Deebot X2 Combo Complete. Taking the third spot on our list is the Ecovacs Deebot X2 Combo Complete. This versatile robot vacuum and mop combo is designed to handle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. Featuring advanced laser mapping technology, the Deebot X2 accurately navigates and maps your home for efficient cleaning. Its strong suction power effectively lifts dirt and debris from carpets and hard floors, while the mop module ensures a thorough clean on hard surfaces. With customizable cleaning schedules and virtual boundaries via the Ecovacs app, the Deebot X2 provides control and flexibility to fit your cleaning needs. Number 2. Yeti M12 Pro Plus. Coming in at number 2 is the Yeti M12 Pro Plus. Known for its exceptional cleaning performance and affordability, the M12 Pro Plus packs a punch with its strong suction power and intelligent navigation system. Equipped with advanced sensors, it detects obstacles and navigates around furniture with ease, ensuring thorough cleaning in every corner. The M12 Pro Plus offers multiple cleaning modes, including spot cleaning and edge cleaning, to tackle different areas of your home effectively. With voice control capabilities and a user-friendly app, the Yeti M12 Pro Plus delivers convenience and efficiency for everyday cleaning tasks. Number 1. Dream X40 Ultra. And claiming the number 1 spot on our list is the Dream X40 Ultra. Combining cutting-edge technology with powerful performance, the X40 Ultra stands out as a top contender in the robot vacuum and mop category. Featuring ultra-strong suction and a floating main brush, it effectively lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. The X40 Ultra's advanced navigation system creates a precise cleaning path, ensuring thorough coverage of your home. With its integrated mop module and water tank, it offers dual functionality for comprehensive cleaning. Smart home integration via the Dream app and voice assistance adds convenience, making the Dream X40 Ultra our top pick for households seeking superior cleaning performance and ease of use. There you have it, our roundup of the top 6 best robot vacuums and mops for 2024. Whether you're looking for powerful suction, intelligent navigation, or dual functionality with mopping capabilities, there's a robot vacuum on this list to suit your cleaning needs. If you found a model that caught your eye, be sure to check out the links in the description below for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.